Hi! We have a very interesting topic today, and that is the step-by-step guide on how to share a Zoho form. Subscribe and press the bell icon to stay updated on our other easy-to-follow videos and tutorials.
There are several ways to share your form. To see details, click on Share icon. First, decide if you want to share it publicly or send to specific users. To share as a public link, just copy permalink from a box. A shortened link is useful if you share a link in social media posts with the character limits. Another way to get things done is via QR code. Click on Download, and a QR code will be generated automatically. The downloaded image can be embedded on your website or shared directly with your respondents. Besides methods just mentioned, it is possible to share a form through shortcuts provided in Zoho Forms. Shortcuts are available for Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. To know a source of incoming responses, use a tracking parameter at the end of your form's permalink URL. All you need is to replace this part with a website or social media name. To see tracking results, click on All Entries. Here you can find a relevant column, Referrer Name. If you need to share a form privately, go to Specific Users section. Insert required email. Set a permission, or what users within your organization can do with this form. Add a message in case you want to notify users. Another available option is to share the form with all users within organization.
That's it for the step-by-step guide on how to share your Zoho forms. Stay tuned for the rest of our Zoho form-related tutorials. Found this video helpful? Show us your appreciation by hitting the like icon, subscribing, and sharing it to your community. If you have concerns or queries, don't hesitate to contact us at knowhow@customerization.ca.